I have a cracked reservoir leak coming out of there. All the buildup, that's cracked. And the water pump has a leak, bad seal. So I'll be here for a while. I have to get it from, I think he said, El Centro. Here in Yuma, Arizona. Bummer.